Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Carter family.
We hope you have a wonderful time with us today. I am Ryan.
And I am Zoe. I am Tyler. Let's start today's story.
Wait, he is coming home? Today? Are you completely sure? This is the best news. I cannot believe it. Everyone, I have some very, very special news.
What is it? You look like you are about to burst.
Your Uncle Sam is coming home today. He is finally coming home.
Really? Today?
Uncle Sam, awesome!
He's really coming back?
Uncle Sam, I have missed him so much.
I know exactly what we should do for him.
What is it? Tell me right now. We give him a hero's welcome, like a real one, a guard of honor.
A guard of honor? Like the soldiers do? Can I be in it too?
Of course, Zoe. It'll be fun.
Yay, I'm so excited!
Let's do it. We line up in the driveway, in uniforms, and we salute him when his car pulls in. That is such a beautiful idea. He is going to love it.
All right, go ahead and get everything ready, kids.
This is going to be the best surprise ever!
Our old blasters and gear should still be right here.
Found them! These are perfect for the salute! Look what I found! This will make our uniforms look so real.
Wow, Zoe, that's perfect. Yeah, it really will. All right, team, let's get this uniform ready. There we go, one brave soldier ready for his mission.
There you go, soldier. Now you look ready for anything.
I feel ready for anything, Dad! Do I look like a real soldier now, Mom?
Yes, you do, sweetie.
Yay, I'm a soldier!
Say mission ready.
Mission ready!
Okay, stand right here, Tyler and Zoe. You will stand on the other side.
Like this?
Perfect. Now we can start.
This is fun!
Like this. Straight arm, straight back. Let's try it together.
Okay, Ryan. Like this?
Perfect. Hold it.
We did it! We look exactly the same, all three of us!
This actually looks really good. We look like a real guard.
I want it to be perfect for Uncle Sam.
You have got it, Zoe. That is perfect.
There, just like that. That is exactly right.
He should be here soon, very soon. That is strange. I have not met anyone on this street yet. Are those children in some kind of uniforms? I think I should keep an eye on this for a little while. One more time, everyone. Let's make sure we are perfectly ready.
Okay, ready! Let's go!
Perfect. One more. Oh my goodness, those really do look like real weapons from here. I am sorry, but I think I really do need to call someone about this. Yes, hello. I would like to report something concerning on my street. There are children with what look like weapons lined up in a driveway. Yes, I am at my house, 2 doors down. Please send someone quickly. Okay, we can do that. What's the address? It's 456 Oak Street. Thank you.
Everything looks perfect out here. He is going to be so surprised.
Any second now. He could be here any second.
I hear a car. I think I hear a car coming.
Get ready, everyone. Here he comes.
This is exactly what I dreamed it would look like.
I do not even know what to say right now.
You are home. You are finally home.
Welcome home, Sam. It is so good to finally have you here.
Uncle Sam! I miss you so much!
I missed you too, kids. Come here.
You're back! We had so much fun! Don't go away again!
I have missed all of you more than you will ever know. Let's move in carefully and see what we are dealing with. Sir, I need everyone to stay calm and stay right where you are.
Did we do something wrong?
Officers, what is going on? Is something wrong? We received a call about children with weapons at this address. Can someone explain what is happening here?
Officer, please, I promise you everything is fine. These are just toy blasters. This is my brother-in-law. He just came home today from deployment. The kids wanted to surprise him. Ah, yes, I can see the orange tip clearly now. This is definitely a toy.
Well, this is certainly not what we expected to find.
Here you go, son. That was a very impressive salute, by the way.
Thank you, officer!
Stay safe out there.
Thank you for your service. Welcome home.
Thank you, officer. It means a lot.
I am so sorry. I did not know what I was looking at. I just moved in and I did not know any of you. Please do not apologize. You did exactly the right thing. I am Lisa, by the way.
Why don't you both stay for a bit? We are about to celebrate, and you are more than welcome.
That's so kind of you.
We'd love to.
I would love that. Thank you so much for understanding. Of course, I'm so glad. This means a lot to new beginnings.
That was the best welcome home I have ever had. Thank you, all three of you.
This was the best day ever!